empty boiler, we press these three buttons together, press and hold. This can check the display whether is the display 7 segment whether it's good condition or not. So if we press longer, keep continue pressing, it will come out EB. So we release, you start to count down. So this one you will be release the pressure. Release the pressure from the boiler. There is a so-called drain partial water inside the boiler. Okay. So by right you see the water coming out from the coffee boiler because I just start up the machine, so there's no much water coming out from there. You can see the pressure going lesser and lesser. So at the time we need to switch off the machine, switch on. Okay, so after you empty the boiler, you may keep the machine inside this warehouse or whatever. So when you after bring out the machine and come and install, you will see F1 again because you did a empty boiler. So the machine will refill the boiler water. Right. So this is how to empty the boiler. But after that we need to, better is switch off and restart the machine again after you do the F1. Right, that's all. Thank you for watching.